Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Here find the Wi-Fi option, and once you find it, select it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. Once it is, scroll down and find the option called Add Network. And basically, once you tap on Add Network, you will see the list of nearby networks. You can find the one you want to connect to. And once you find it, tap on it. And if the network is password protected, you will have two options: enter on a phone or enter on watch. If you tap on enter on phone, it will basically open the bring you pop-up on the phone that is paired with your watch, and there you can enter the password. And if you select enter on watch, you will basically be able to use the keyboard on the watch to enter the password. So let's tap on enter on watch, and now we can enter the password. And once you enter the password, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And if the password is right, it should basically connect to the network. Once it says connected, you can go back, and it will appear right here under the Wi-Fi switch, and it will say connected, which indicates that the watch is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And of course, once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to WatchWiz. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.